words you find it is ending with a, but in the near past tense the a will change to add. It will be ire. That's how it will be in the plural. That's how no, it is not in the plural. That's how we shall use it in the sentence. Like
Okay.
kufa, fa means to die. I think it is same like in Kiswahili.
Yes.
Eh.
Same.
So here in Runyankore, if we want to use that word in a sentence, we shall, in the near past tense, it becomes feed. So if you want to say that he died, we say afire.
Afire.
Afire. Then we have a word like rya. This rya, it will now become, rire. So if I want to say that we ate meat, it will be turire. If I want to say that I ate meat, it will be ndire. It will be ndire. Ndire nyama.
Ndire nyama.
Ndire nyama. That means I ate meat. Probably yesterday. I ate meat yesterday. So rya becomes rire.
We ate meat. Turire.
Yes. Then we have ba. Ba is to be.
Ba.
Now if I want to say that abire. Abire. You know, in plural it was abire. He was here. That is abire. Abaire. Ali. Aha. That means he was here.
Abire hari.
Aha means here. That is if it is independent. Abirari aha. Then sa. Sa is grind. We have the word oksa. Oksa is to grind. Oksa oburo. Oksa oburo means to grind millet.
To grind millet.
So if I want to say that he ground the millet, like maybe yesterday, I say asire oburo.
Asire
oburo. That means he grounded the millet. He ground the millet. Asire oburo.
Okay.
So these words will find that the last word changes, and we have ire being added there.
Okay.
We shall see another word. like lala. Kulala is to spend the night. So most stems ending in la and za, so for them you find they change to be, the la changes to ire. That's where we have arire nkahi, orire ota. Do you know how orire ota comes to be? Because it comes from the word rara, that is spend the night. Orirota, orirenkahi, orirenkahi. That means where did you spend the night? Murirenkahi. So now we have known where it comes from. Then we have ichiriza. You remember ichiriza? Kuichiriza. Now we have ichiriza, which means to believe. So ichiriza, if I want to ask you, did he accept or did he agree? I will say aichirize.
Aichirize.
Aichirize. That means, did he accept? Then I can say, if I want to say that you agree or allow or believe, I can say muichirize. Muichirize. Muichirize tugende. Muichirize tugende.
Muichirize tugaruke.
Muichirize tukole. Accept and we work. Muichirize akole. Accept him and he works. So we have seen that muichirize akore, I accepted him to work. Because you are seeing that this is in the very near past tense. How these words become.
Okay.
Kora, this one ending with the dash ra with the short vowel and stems. The last two letters will become zire, like kora, it will become kozire. I'll say okozirechi. What did you do?
Kozire.
Akozire nkahi. I say akozire omushango.
Akozire omushango. Akozire omushango.
Omushango means an offense. Akozire omushango.
Akozire omushango.
That means he did an offense or he committed an offense. Akozire omushango. If I say akoziraha, akozire aha, meaning he worked here.
Akuzira. Akuzire. Aha.
If I say
Akuzira.
agenzire, a means he or she, so agenzire means he went. Agenzire omukatare.
Agenzire omukatare.
Agenzire omuka. If I say
Agenzire omukatare.
Nkaba ngenzire omuka. What does this mean? Nkaba ngenzire omuka.
Wajana muka, you got your home. Nkaba ngenzire omuka. What's the meaning? I don't know.
That means
This Nkaba changing the.
I had gone home. Nkaba means
Yes.
I had. So because of ngenzire, that means this ngenzire is in past tense, the near past tense. Nkaba ngenzire omuka. I had gone home.
Okay.
Nkaba ngenzire kukora. Nkaba ngenzire kukora.
Nkaba ngenzire kukora.
That means I had gone to work. Nkaba ngenzire kushaba.
Nkaba ngenzire kushaba.
This nkaba means I had. If I say nyomwabazyo ngenzire omuka. What do I mean? Nyomwabazyo ngenzire omuka.
Nyomwabazyo ngenzire omuka.
Nyomwabazyo is yesterday.
Yesterday. Yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday ngenzire omuka. Yesterday I went home.
Yes. Yesterday. Yesterday. Ntekire. Ebitoche. Yesterday I did what?
I cooked a banana.
Yes, that's good. So, okuronda. Okuronda means to look for. So this, if it is in the past tense, it will be lonzre. So, like if I want to say turonzre. Turonzire. Turonzire abategeki. But it can also mean to vote, okuronda. But this one, turonzire ebitabo byabura. You know, okubura means to get lost. So, turonzire bitabo byabura. We looked for books and they got lost. Then if I say nkoronzire wabura, what do I mean here?
Nkoronzire wabura. Nkoronzire think more.
Nkoronzire is I looked for. Nkoronzire, I looked for you. Nkoronzire, I looked for you.
Nkoronzire
wabura, I looked for you and you got lost. Or I couldn't find you. Nkoronzire wabura. That is, if I say this unku means I looked for you. If I say mbalonzire mwabura, mbalonzire mwabura.
Mbalonzire mwabura.
You are now talking about a group of people that I looked for you and I couldn't get you. Mbalonzire mwabura.
Mbalonzire mwabura. Sorry, that's not the group.
So, I think we shall end our lesson from there.
Yes.
I still say obusinge bube niwe. Peace be with you. Tuleba nenyencha kari.
Tuleba nenyencha kari. Evening. What's evening?
Omwabazyo.
Omwabazyo. Okay. Okay, goodbye.